Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Starlink for free on your iPhone for text messages and calls. So guys, if you want to use Starlink on your iPhone for text messages and calls, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open settings on your device, and after this you have to tap on general and then tap on software update, and from here you have to simply update your software to the latest version, that is iOS 18.3. so guys, simply update your device to the latest version, and after this you have to simply make sure that you are using the iPhone 14 or the later models. So guys, you must have iPhone 14 or the later models, and then you must be a user of T-Mobile as well. So guys, simply meet these requirements, and after this you will be able to use the Starlink services for free on your iPhone. So guys, this is the way which you can follow to use Starlink for text messages and calls on your iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.